Hello, my name is Pranita Sharma and I welcome you to my channel. Today we will learn about palindrome number and we'll also write a program for that. So first of all, let us understand what is a palindrome. A palindrome is a word or a phrase or a sequence that reads the same forward and backwards. For example, madam. If I read the word forward, M-A-D-A-M, madam, and if I read the word from backward, M-A-D-A-M, madam. So both ways it is the same. This kind of words or numbers or phrases or even sequences, they are called palindrome. So today our topic is palindrome number. In numbers, we can have palindromes in this form: 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1. If I read from forward or from backward, it means the same. We can also have numbers like 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, okay, and so on. So let us start the program for palindrome numbers. We will be using the logic of reversing the number. So if you have not seen my previous video on reverse of a number, I highly request you to first see the video and then only this video. Link is provided in the description. So let us begin our program. We'll create a new class and we'll give the name of the class, say palindrome number. So I'm giving palindrome number. Okay. So double click on it. Control A, delete. So class name is palindrome number. Okay, let me write the main function. Okay, so we have done writing with the main function. Since we are going to take the input from the user, we will be using the scanner class. So we need to import the scanner class also. So let's do that. Sorry, it's a class name scanner. Okay. Once I have decided we are going to take the input from the user, then obviously we have to give a prompt to the user to give a number. So system dot out dot println, so we have to give an information for the user that enter any number. So the user, we don't know which number the user is going to give us. So let's take it integer. I'm taking it in number is equal to in dot next integer. So I've taken the number. So in the process, I may require this number once again. So let me create a copy of it. So integer copy is equal to number. So I'm taking the number and copying it into a variable named copy, and I also need a reverse variable. So let me declare it as reverse equals to 0. So now I need to reverse, so let's use the loop here, loop for reversing. Those who don't know how to reverse, I highly request once again to first go and visit the video on reverse of a number. So let's start with the loop. Loop number is not equal to 0. That is, until the number becomes 0, our loop will continue. So let me declare one more variable for calculating the remainder, equals to number mod. Mod is going to give us the remainder, mod of 10. And the number has now to be reduced by dividing it, number divided by 10. And now the reverse formula for calculating the reverse, that is reverse into 10. Why 10 I have explained, plus the remainder. Now we have found the reverse over here. This loop is going to calculate the reverse of that particular number, and to check whether that number is the same number given by the user, then it is a palindrome number, and if it is not, it is not a palindrome number. So let's do the checking by using an if-else condition. If reverse is equal to the copy which we have made, then our number is, so we'll print it, that the copy number is a palindrome number. Else it is not a palindrome number, so I don't want to write it again, so I'm copying this. Is not a palindrome number. So let me check the program. There is no errors. Let us check by running the program. Enter any number. So this time let me give a number, 6776. 6776 is a palindrome number. So let me give some number which is not palindrome, and let's see the result. Say 43533. So this should not be a palindrome number. 43533 is not a palindrome number. So I hope the logic is quite clear, and if there is any other doubt, you please leave a comment. Any suggestions, I highly request you to give me new ideas or topic which you want for the programs and for the videos. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from the channel. Okay, see you all in the next video.